As a two-time breast cancer survivor, I've had radiation surgery as well as chemotherapy and then other types of drugs. The combination of those treatments obviously affect your oral health. Chemotherapy is going to affect both good and bad cells in your body, and most definitely your oral hygiene and your dental health. My first implant was in the back. It was a molar, and it was a root canal that I had done years ago that had gone bad as a result of my compromised health. And I asked my dentist at the time, what are we going to do to fix this? And he said, Erin, you require an implant. And I said, if I'm your mother, who would you take your mother to? And he said, hands down, there's only one dentist, Dr. Gregg Codelli. So I contacted his office and came over, had a consultation with him, and he too, of course, concurred and recommended the implant. And I had that done about 10 years ago. Implants are permanent, long-term fixtures for people like me who have compromised health or failure of root canals. And so, for something that is going to last 30, 40, 50 years, an implant is obviously the way to go. Getting implants is a process. The first is a surgical procedure, and then you come back for checkups, make sure that in fact the implant has taken. Dr. Codelli does panoramic x-rays, and then you have an abutment. And the abutment is what then affixes to the crown once you have a temporary crown and then a permanent crown placed. No restrictions whatsoever. Other than the initial surgery, which you need to be careful. You eat soft foods for a day or two, you rinse with salt water, things like that, but no restrictions whatsoever. As a matter of fact, I would probably say that my teeth are stronger today than they were prior to the implants. I feel a great sense of empowerment as a two-time breast cancer survivor because you see life with a little more clarity. You certainly appreciate those little things in life. You certainly become more attuned and more acutely aware of how you need to take care of yourself, the whole person. Whether it's health, nutrition, education, relationships, just all of the above, spiritually, everything. Cancer in and of itself affects you in so many ways, emotionally, physically, medically, psychologically, just all of the above. And it can be a very deep, dark kind of hole that you crawl into. You don't smile very often. And when you kind of come out the other side, you have that renewed sense. And smiling is such an easy gesture to do every day. And it just, having confidence in my smile because of my treatment, because of what Dr. Codelli has offered me, has just made me want to smile more.